It's been a challenge to slow down Trevor Lawrence, making his second career start, and Travis Etienne gone. Second massive run of the day, 70 yards for the score. Behind the block of Tremaine Ankrum.
Still plenty of meat on that bone. 3:41. Gonna have to act fast with only one timeout remaining.
Cole had it blocked. And Boston College is going to recover it in the end zone with Levy. Travis Levy off the punt block has scored the touchdown that BC needed.
The loss last week at Clemson, 27-23. Pittsburgh trying to stop a two-game losing streak. As Dungy rolls that pocket to the right, a floater down near the goal line. And it is intercepted by the Panthers in the end zone. The interception of the pass by Eric Dungy. Coleman makes the interception. They pile up in the end zone for the Panthers, and they have won it in overtime against the Orange, 44-37.
Man, he's made his presence felt today, showing up.
Wobbly punt, takes a Miami roll, and fielded on a hop by DJ Matthews. And gets loose. DJ Matthews down the sideline. Does he stay in bounds? At the pylon. Touchdown. Threw it to a spot. What a great throw. He wants another deep shot.